Amazon is once again in the spotlight as investors digest its latest earnings results and outlook. And those results have taken it to an intraday high of $255.55. This is Thursday, the 30th of October 2025, post market session. It's holding a gain of 9.81 9.81%. The e-commerce and cloud giant has become a focal point of market discussions, with community chatter centering on whether the company can sustain its impressive run or if a wave of profit taking might trigger a short-term pullback, a pattern seen recently among other large cap tech stocks. In its Q3 2025 results, the company reported a net income of $21.19 billion, 1.95%, no, not sorry, 1.95 per share, a strong jump from $15.3 billion in the same period last year. This performance highlights the company's continued operational strength and efficiency improvements across multiple segments. Looking ahead, the company projects Q4 net sales between $206 billion and $213 billion, along with operating income guidance of $21 billion to $26 billion, signaling confidence in its peak holiday quarter. Analysts and retail investors alike are noting that favorable foreign exchange trends are likely to provide a tailwind for international revenue. Much of the conversation revolves around AWS, which remains the cornerstone of the company's profitability. Market participants are scrutinizing the pace of AWS growth as a key indicator of the company's ability to keep pace with Microsoft's Azure and Google Cloud amid intensifying infrastructure demand. Beyond the numbers, sentiment is mixed but leaning optimistic. Bulls highlight the company's dominance in e-commerce, logistics, advertising, while bears warn that high valuations and potential macro headwinds could limit upside momentum. The company's earnings release expected, just that has just been released now, is seen as a potential market moving event. Yeah, it is a market moving event, especially against the backdrop of recent US China trade tensions and broader shifts in global equity markets. As a matter of fact, all eyes are on whether the company's strong fundamentals, forward guidance can keep the rally alive, or if investors will choose to lock in green gains after a robust run. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now. Extrapolation is saying that higher prices may remain in place up till the pre-market session of tomorrow, the 31st of October. Then after that, a contraction may occur. So the algos are pricing in a sell-off. They're pricing in a profit taking, just as we read out there, just as I read out there. So that's what the algos are projecting. So 233 is a downward projection. 223 is a downward projection. We know we have 255 here, just slightly above the current price of 252.40. Let's see whether we have anything higher than 255, 254.21. Okay, let's see what we have on its daily chart. On its daily chart, we have 230.09. It's a downward projection. Okay, the algos are projecting lower prices. It may not be the case, or it may or may not be the case. Okay, so 246. We're looking for higher prices. 255.98, just underneath. That's just this has it just met one of its projections to 55.98 to 58.70. Okay, as of the 28th of August. Okay, to 66.34 to 78.03. These were as of the 23rd of June. Okay, let's have a look at its weekly chart. On the weekly chart, extrapolation is saying that it's going to remain strong up till Monday, the 3rd of November. Then after that, a contraction may remain in place up till the 12th of January. And then from then on, from the 19th of January, the uptrend may resume. Okay. Projections are saying 287.0 to 308.47. These are on its weekly chart. Yeah. Okay, that's what's going on right now. Yes, see what you make of Amazon stock. Let's see how they are trading the stock right now. It looks quite quiet. Yeah, let's see. One rand, 100.697 million shares have crossed the tape so far, including the regular session. It's quite a better stock as well. You can see. So if any change in the market, the Amazon stock might reflect it by 1.3 times. Okay, so that's what we're looking at right now. Amazon this reported better than expected earnings outcomes. It seems the I think the dollar is cheaper now. The dollar has lost some value, so it's I think U.S. goods are somewhat cheaper, if you like. I think so. I think it's it amongst other things. Amongst other things, So yeah, that's what's going on right now. See what you make of Amazon stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.